Mark Sebastian of OptionBet Mentoring joins us now for the Trader Rundown, and this is the final day of May. What a month, Mark.
Yeah, it's been a really weird month. Lots of news-driven stuff. Although the one thing I'm noticing is that with every kind of China-related news event, the gasp seems to be less of a gasp, and there seems to be less fear. I don't know that we're going to get a huge rally, but I think the days of 2-3% sell-offs because there is some more negative news out of China may be beyond us unless there's some sort of huge mess. I would expect actually maybe markets start to rally ahead of G20 at the end of next month as Trump and President Xi meet to hopefully get talks going again that seem to have stalled in terms of trading goes.
Mark, a lot of the technicians are watching what's happening with the treasuries, and they're starting to get a little bit of a whiff of a recession or reversion. What do you see happening here?
Right now, there are all sorts of places where I can, own bonds in the U.S. real short term and have them somewhere else, not own them somewhere else and get a really nice spread. So the yield curve is really weird. And, one of the things that's kind of interesting is China's threatening to sell bonds, right? We're going to sell our treasuries. Well, tell you what, China, now's the time to do it. They're at the 10-year's at a 2.5-year high. Jump in there, China. Go and sell your bonds. And now's the time to do it.
If you're an American investor, what are you doing with your bonds?
I think you have to start to question, how much more rallying is there going to be in the 10-year? If we're getting that front end inversion right now, I think short-dated stuff makes more sense than the 10-year. I'm not buying that there's going to be a huge rate hike. We need to see a serious change in the U.S. economy.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.